Have you ever dreamed of starting an online store without the hassle of inventory or shipping? Perhaps you've heard of dropshipping, but which platform should you choose? Today, we're diving into the world of AliDropship and comparing its two main offerings, AliDropship Original and AliDropship Woo. Let's find out which one is the perfect fit for your e-commerce journey. Dropshipping has gained immense popularity in recent years, allowing entrepreneurs to sell products without holding any physical stock. It's a convenient and low-risk business model, but choosing the right platform is crucial for success. AliDropship has emerged as a leading provider of dropshipping solutions, offering two distinct options. AliDropship Original, a standalone platform that provides everything you need to start a dropshipping store. AliDropship Woo, a plugin that integrates with your existing WordPress website, powered by WooCommerce. Key differences: 1. Platform. AliDropship Original, a complete e-commerce platform built from the ground up for dropshipping. AliDropship Woo, a plugin that extends the functionality of your WooCommerce-powered WordPress website. 2. Ease of use. AliDropship Original, user-friendly interface with pre-built templates and automated features. AliDropship Woo, requires some technical knowledge to set up and configure. 3. Customization. AliDropship Original offers a wide range of customization options, including themes, layouts, and branding. AliDropship Woo provides flexibility for customization, but may require more coding or design skills. 4. Features. AliDropship Original includes built-in features like product importing, order fulfillment, and marketing tools. AliDropship Woo integrates with various third-party plugins and services for additional features. 5. Cost. AliDropship Original offers different pricing plans based on your needs and store size. AliDropship Woo requires a one-time purchase fee for the plugin, but you may incur additional costs for hosting, domain, and other services. 6. Target audience. AliDropship Original, suitable for beginners or those who prefer a complete, all-in-one solution. AliDropship Woo, ideal for experienced WordPress users or those who want more control over their website. Choosing the right platform. The best choice between AliDropship Original and AliDropship Woo depends on your individual needs and preferences. Consider the following factors. Technical expertise. If you're comfortable with WordPress and WooCommerce, AliDropship Woo might be a better option. Budget. AliDropship Original may have higher upfront costs, but it offers a complete solution. Customization. If you need extensive customization, AliDropship Woo provides more flexibility. Ease of use. If you're a beginner, AliDropship Original might be easier to get started with. Additional considerations. Customer support. Both platforms offer customer support, but the quality and responsiveness may vary. Community. AliDropship has a growing community of users who can provide support and advice. Scalability. Both platforms can scale as your business grows, but AliDropship Woo may require more technical adjustments. Ultimately, the decision between AliDropship Original and AliDropship Woo comes down to your specific requirements and goals. By carefully considering the key differences and factors discussed in this video, you can make an informed choice that aligns with your e-commerce aspirations. Ready to start your dropshipping journey? Visit AliDropship's website to learn more about their offerings and choose the platform that best suits your needs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more e-commerce tips and insights. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.